In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start from zero and be able to build a passive income source working from the comfort of your home. Hi, my name is VK. I'm the founder of Will Village Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to build a passive income source working on the internet. But before I dive into the video, if you are new on my channel, go down and subscribe to the channel. And remember to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I publish new content on this channel. When I did a research on Google and look for the keywords how to make money online, there are 246,000 people searching for these keywords on Google and close to 5 billion results displayed on Google showing people how to make money online. What does this tell me? It tells me particularly that people are looking for ways to make money online, and there are a lot of them. And in the same way, there are so many things you can do on the internet to make money working from home. When it comes to the idea of creating a passive income source on the internet, you cannot be jumping into any type of business that you find on the internet and be able to build a passive income working from home. If that's what you want, if that's what you are looking for, if you are looking for a way to build a business on the internet that will be generating cash money for you every month without you being always there to monitor the business, there are a few steps that I'm going to walk you through in this video so that you can be able to build your passive income business online. Here is the step one. If you want to build a passive income online, first you need to think about what type of content to create. And being able to do that will come from your ability to know what type of audience you are going to create your content for. So if you have a product and you know the type of audience that will be buying your product from you, you can easily determine what type of content you will be creating on the internet. Even if you don't have a product, just having the passion for a product, which will be the niche around which you will be building your business, you can from there start creating content for that type of audience. When you are able to create your content, the next step, which is step number 2, will be to be affiliate for products and services. Being an affiliate will give you the ability to start promoting products and services inside your content. And the type of content I'm talking about in this video are blogs and videos. And if you want to be successful on the internet, you must be ready to do that work. You must get on camera and make videos about the product that you want to sell. And in the description of your videos, you will leave the link that will take people to your website where they will be able to buy your affiliate product. You must also have a website on which you will be posting blog posts on a regular basis. And if you don't know how to write a blog post, you can outsource that service. If you go to Upwork.com or Fiverr.com, you can find people that will help you with your blog post. And inside your blog post, you will include links that will take people to your affiliate websites where they will be able to buy your products. The idea of building a passive income on the internet will come from you making the sale once, and with no additional effort on your part, you will be collecting additional commission month after month. The easiest way to do that is to be affiliate for tools like ClickFunnels that people will use to build their funnels, or email softwares like GetResponse, Aweber, that people use to send automatic email to their subscribers. If you are an affiliate for those type of products, you make the sale once and you start collecting commission month after month. The step 3 is to create a course. But here is what you must know. If you want to create a course on your own, it will take time. In addition to that, you will need to have the skill, you will need to have the ability, the knowledge that is required, and you will also need to have a lot of money to spend to create your own product. And if you don't have that skill, if you don't have the time and money that's required for you to create your own course, the best way is to become an affiliate for courses. I made a video in which I show the exact place to go depending on what you are looking to promote. And I will give you access to that video at the end of this one. Make sure to stay till the end. The step number 4 is to create a YouTube channel. The earlier you understand that YouTube is a business, the earlier you will be able to start profiting from your videos. When you click on a video on YouTube, most of the time you will see an advertisement at the beginning of the video, and sometimes you will even see another one in the middle of the video and another one at the end of the video. The short advertisement that you watch is something that's making money to the creator. If you succeed to build a successful YouTube channel, a video that you publish today can continue bringing you money 5-10 years from now. And it's very simple. Once you reach 4,000 watch time on your channel and 1,000 subscribers, you will be able to apply for AdSense. That way you can start displaying advertisements on your videos. To recap, if you want to build a passive income source on the internet, you must first know the audience that you are going to serve. And once you determine that and you start creating your content, you need to be an affiliate for products and services. And most importantly, being an affiliate for tools that pay recurring commission. Another way to make passive income on the internet is to create your own courses. But it demands that you have the time, the money, the skill, the ability that is required to create your own courses. If you don't have those, the best way is to go for affiliate marketing and you will become affiliate for courses. And another passive income idea is to create a YouTube channel. And when you reach 4,000 views on your channel and 1,000 subscribers, you will be able to apply for AdSense and start displaying advertisements on your videos, which will make you money on YouTube. This is what I do and I hope it makes sense. Everything I mentioned in this video, I will make sure to leave a link in the description of this video for you to click on and to have access to those resources and start creating your passive income on the internet. This is it for today. If you like the video, go down and hit the thumbs up. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, subscribe to the channel and remember to hit the notification bell so you get notified when I publish new content on this channel. I really appreciate your time. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.